everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to delete a knowledge base. So, glad you see it. Hit that like button and let's get started. Delete a knowledge base. To delete a knowledge base, go to company and open knowledge base. Select knowledge base you want to delete. So, I want to delete this one. So, click on the action button. Select delete knowledge base. Click on continue. So that knowledge base was deleted. After you have deleted the knowledge base, it's automatically moved to the recycle bin. It is stored there for 30 days. To view knowledge bases in the recycle bin, click on the recycle bin button. Otherwise, you can use the corresponding filter like this. Recycle bin is such. Here, knowledge base have a special counter showing days left until reusable deletion. It's showing 31 days. In that 31 days, it will delete it. To restore a deleted knowledge base during these 30 days, click on the action button and select recover knowledge base. So, note one thing, only a user with the approximate access permission can delete a knowledge base. This is how we can delete and restore the knowledge base in Bitrix24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.